So you might be having issues with your Apple Pencil, whether it's the Apple Pencil 1 or Apple Pencil 2, where for some reason the battery life is just not basically that good anymore. This can happen for lots and lots of different reasons, but the very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you're even charging your Apple Pencil up properly in the first place. If you're putting your Apple Pencil to, in this case, on the top of your iPad, and for some reason it's just not charging, you may have plugged it in or sat it on the wrong side. This is a very, very common issue that a lot of people have. So make sure you're positioning your Apple Pencil in the right area where it can be charged. If you have an Apple Pencil 1, making sure you do the exact same thing, but plugging it in and making sure it is a compatible Apple Pencil to your specific iPad. If you have an Apple Pencil 2, it's not going to work on some iPads. If you have the Apple Pencil 1, it's also not going to work on some iPads. So make sure that's the case. That's like the number one thing I'd recommend doing. Another thing, sometimes if you have your Apple Pencil and it's still somewhat activated on your iPad, whether you're drawing on it or whatever the case is, the battery life can go down even if it is in your book bag. Sometimes it'll just randomly detect your Apple Pencil and it will turn it on. If that is the case, you may want to go ahead and just make sure that your Apple Pencil is correctly connected to your iPad. If it's like connected via this way, if you have a cap on your iPad for your Apple Pencil, you may want to place that in there too, because if not, sometimes, or if it's on the top, sometimes your Apple Pencil may just detect that it's connected to the iPad and it will start draining the battery that way too. Another thing, you may want to try updating your iPad. If you have an iPad, just go ahead and try seeing if you can make your way over to their settings, update your iPad that way, and that's another thing I'd recommend checking out as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If your battery is still draining like crazy on your Apple Pencil, you may want to replace it because it might be that the battery health on your iPad or your Apple Pencil has actually gone down quite a bit. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.